Black polymer. Easily installs in a 1/3 diameter hole. Screw size. Number 6. Built with quality materials. Perko's black polymer flush pull. Specifications include faceplate dimensions 2 1/4 x 2 1/4, depth 15/16, and screw size 6. Installs in a 1/3 diameter hole. Sold per each. Top reviews from the United States. Worked perfectly for my application. Seam built very well, easy to install, perfect size for my use. I used this on a Gatorworks 4U rack drawer. The finger slam latch that they use are known to fail. Mine did before it was even installed. Easy install into steel drawer, should last a lifetime.